Hey guys, it's your boy Ender back in another video, and today we are doing a custom combos against Berserk Moose. So each of these combos represents a bay and a fanfiction manga that one of my subs is writing, Gachi Editz. So each of these represents a bay in there. So for representing Swift Orion is Union Odin, Convert, Eternal, Sen. Make sure it's in the camera. Then representing Celestial Nazareth is Imperial Dragon, Zenith, Ultimate Reboot Dash. Then representing Thunder Rex is Rock Dragon, 00, Expand Azorb. So I actually think this is going to be kind of fun to use. And then representing Ghoul Reaper is Dead Hades, 0, Expand Jolt Dash. This will be a really exciting video, hopefully. Shout out to Gachi Editz for the idea. If you guys have any battles you want done, let me know and I'll do them if I can. And I'll see you guys at the stage. Stadium. So we're going to be doing the first bay to, let's say, 4 points? Yeah, that sounds good. 4 points. Starting with Union Odin. You can call me slow if you want, but I just realized I can zoom in on the video to cancel out so I can crop it. Okay, 3, 2, and go. Pretty solid, okay. 3, 2, and go. Well, that ended faster than I thought it would. That's 2 points for her Berserk Moose. Yeah, I don't think this combo is going to survive. Over in 2 battles? Maybe? 3, 2, and go. 3, 2, and go. Yeah, there's nothing I can do there. This combo is dead already. Well, this video might be shorter than I expected if they all end like this. Yeah, I decided to use the collision course game because we have a lot of attack type combos here. So I think it'll be pretty interesting. Next up, let's do Rock Dragon. Mainly because I'm excited to do this one because I think it's going to bounce around. Hopefully. 3, 2, and go. First finish. Okay. Ow! God. Berserk like cut me. Yeah. Spec in the stadium. Yeah, I realized that Berserk almost bursted against Union Odin, which was surprising. It was like 1 click away, I think. 3, 2, and go. Okay, Rock Dragon dead. Oh god. Well, this might end up being a super short video. Maybe, oh god, I don't know what we're gonna do if, okay, let's do Imperial Dragon next, I guess. Oh my god. 3, 2, and go. 3, 2, and... Nope. I didn't even launch that. I just bounced off of my knee into the stadium. Okay, let's redo it. 3, 2, and go. What in the world? It won't stay on launch. 3, 2, and go. Okay, 1 point Imperial Dragon, 0 for Berserk Moose. It actually almost died there. Not surprising. Okay. 3, 2, and go. Goodbye. Okay, Imperial Dragon. 2 to 0. Okay, this is surprising. Okay, we might actually. This could be interesting. 3, 2, and go. 3, 2, and go. Okay, it's 2 to 1. This battle needs to end in a burst. It will happen. It's inevitable. 3, 2, and go. 3, 2, and go. Oh no, it's gonna win because of stamina. Ultimate reboot. Oh wait, actually maybe not. Oh my god, yeah, it's gonna win being in there. Oh no, okay. It's tied up 2 to 2 now. Come on, Berserk, you can't lose to Imperial Dragon. 3, 2, and go. I don't like that one. Let's redo that. Yeah, zooming in makes this look a lot better. 3, 2, and go. 3, 2, and go. Okay, well, Imperial Dragon's down for the count. Final score 2 to 4. Berserk won again. Oh my god, that was brutal. If Berserk had an evolution, that would be a cool name. Brutal Moose. Okay, well now all we're left with is Dead Hades, so hopefully Dead Hades puts up a decent fight. 3, 2, and go. 3, 2, and go. Okay. It's been pretty decent power. Okay, first battle goes to Dead Hades with a survivor pitch. It actually almost bursted, so 3, 2, and go. Where did it? Okay. So it's 1 to 2. Berserk of course has had burst finish. Because it can't respect any of these bays at all, can it? Yeah, even with dash drivers, these things are not tight at all. Okay. 3, 2, and go. Oh, I'll be nice, I'll redo that. Mainly because I just don't want it to die too quick. 3, 2, and go. I gotta get the hits. Bye. Oh. Berserk always gets stuck halfway through the ramp. It's kind of upsetting. Okay, it's 1 to 3. Berserk is still in the lead. Clean his driver. Okay, 3, 2, and go. 3, 2, and go. Okay. 2 to 3, that's pretty good. Yeah, this recording set by the way I changed it looks a lot better. I need to get batteries for my big UV light though. 2 and go. 3, 2, and go. Say goodbye. And final score of 2 to 5. Berserk wins literally every round. Not surprised, to be honest. I didn't think it would be up these bays this bad, but if you guys, you know what, let's do an extra round with each bay, because I'm pretty sure this video is really short. So we'll do another round with Imperial Dragon. Swear to God, I can't take you when these bays just fall off. I'm getting a new launcher, so that's good for 2. Get wrecked. Okay. Dead. You know, you have to pour a little bit of salt on that wound. Okay. Fun jump, hopefully bouncy bay. Yeah, I actually don't really see that many combos with Azor. You know it's a button driver. He's going to go. Oh my god. That burst like shook the whole stadium to the side. It's actually insane. Okay. Yep, okay, let's put the pieces around. Okay, Union Odin gets one more chance before... Yep, before it's over. 3, 2, and go. 3, 2, and go. Say goodbye. Yeah. Yeah, not knockout. Union Odin actually is the only one that gets Berserk that I had to click, surprisingly. Oh my god, I didn't notice this before. Listen to that. It's literally a slide. I think that tooth may have broke. No, okay, the Odin teeth don't. Actually, I think the chip got knocked loose. That's it. Okay, that's crazy. Next up, dedicate these for 2 and go. 2 and go. Okay. Lucky son of a Beyblade. Okay. Well, we have to kill this. Let there be carnage! Yeah, get disrespected. Okay, Berserk, don't break my frame, please. Okay, close enough to bursting. Okay, well, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed already, I recommend subscribing for more Beyblade content to come. Hit the bell to be notified every time I upload. And, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.